Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are safe and fine and studying well. So, I had taken a point reflection. Subject or topic was reflection of class 10 maths. So, in reflection, I told you reflection through x-axis, reflection through y-axis, and reflection through origin. And one more point I told you, invariant point. That means there is no change in the point. On the axis, points on the axis. Now we have a point topic, reflection of a point in the line x is equal to a. What is the meaning of x is equal to a? Listen carefully. If we have a line which is a unit far from y-axis, okay, if this distance is a, and so this line will be x is equal to a, okay. If this line is x is equal to a and we have a point P, x comma y, what this point means, x comma y means if we draw perpendicular, this will be x and this will be y. If this is x, this whole is a, so this remaining will be a minus x. Okay, this is a minus x. Now, we have to get the reflection of this point P over this line x is equal to a. It is very easy, just like x-axis, y-axis, but a few points we have to remember. Listen, if this point is P, the distance of this point P from this line is a minus x. So you go through a minus x this side also, because I told you in mirrors the distance will be same. आप जितनी दूरी पे खड़े हैं उतनी ही दूरी पे अंदर शीशे में आपकी इमेज बनती है. तो यहाँ पे भी ये पॉइंट क्या होगा, बस ये निकालना है हमें. जरा ध्यान से देखिए, ये अगर ये ओरिजिन है, ये इतना a, वी हैव गॉट a एंड दिस इज a माइनस x, क्योंकि यहां से पॉइंट की दूरी, ऑब्जेक्ट की दूरी, यहां से the distance of the image will be same. So if this is a and this is a minus x, so this total will be, this is going to be y, they are same, and this distance has to be, listen carefully, this is a plus a minus x, a plus a minus x, so total will be 2a minus x. This distance will be 2a minus x. So if this is 2a minus x, so the point will be 2a minus x comma y. I hope all of you are getting me. I have taken x, a, or only variable points. Let us take one example. If we have this coordinate axis, x-axis I have made x dash, y, y dash. Okay, and we have a line x is equal to 3. And we have a point, this 1 comma 3, and we want the reflection of this point. Okay, so if this distance is 3, this is 1, remaining will be 2. The same distance our image also will be following: 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 unit, 2 unit. So in front of 5, here we will get the reflection of point P, and this point will be very easily, we can write this is 5 and this distance is 3. So 5, 3. So this point will be 5 comma 3, and if this is P, this will be P dash. Reflection of point P through x is equal to 3 will be 5 comma 3. The same I have explained here. If you are not getting from this, please practice. Please see the video once again, and afterwards you see this example. Okay. The same we will follow for reflection through y-axis. Let us see. If we have a line y is equal to a, or we can say y is equal to b. Let us take the example, y is equal to b. We will change. In place of a, I have written b, if y is equal to b is here, that means y is equal to b will be a line like that. This line is y is equal to b. This distance is b. That's why y is equal to b. And we have a point, we can say anywhere here, p, x comma y. If this is p x comma y, this means this distance is x, this distance will be y. Now, the reflection of point P through y is equal to b. This distance is b and this is y. What about this distance? This will be b minus y. I hope all of you are getting me. If this is y, this is b, so remaining will be b minus y. Now, this distance, our image will follow. Point is here, so the same distance b minus y will go upside, and in front of this point we will get the point p dash, and this p dash will be, this p dash we will get b minus y, b minus y. From this point, this is not going to be changed. This point will be x, so x comma, this height will be changed. This is b, this is b minus y, b plus b minus y will be 2b minus y, so we will write 2b minus y. Okay. If you have any problem, please watch the video once again for this x is equal to a, and open your books. Please try to understand from there. If not, please comment. I'll come once again to explain this. If you're not getting, if you're getting, well and fine. Thank you so much.